Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. We have a big update with Lyft. Lyft stock has been crashing. The app has been causing drivers frustrations, and drivers for both Uber and Lyft have been striking and protesting. So we got a lot to cover today. But yeah, guys, it's kind of been the day where Lyft, I don't know, you want to maybe consider throwing in the towel and joining the rest of the caravan of drivers. So please, thumbs up the video, and firstly want to thank our sponsor, Play Octopus. Play Octopus is a tablet company for drivers. They will send you a tablet when you use our link below completely for free, and you can start earning up to $100 extra per month. And they are pretty much now nationwide, so you can pretty much sign up anywhere in the country, in the United States, totally for free, as long as you're a quote active driver. They say you need to do 100 rides, but honestly, if you're an active driver, you can get a tablet. They just want drivers who are driving consistently. And again, it helps you get more tips, and it's a better experience for your passengers, and you as a driver make more money totally for free. Again, use our link below to sign up. Let's get started. So Lyft stock has fallen after Bank of America chimes in with bearish stance. So Lyft, this company, shares of Lyft skidded in Tuesday's session after Bank of America weighed in with a bearish call of the ride-hailing company.
Citing a sharp deceleration in housing demand post-COVID. The shocks, though, seem to shrug up.
Housing even more on,
So Bank of America analyst Michael McGovern sees big opportunity in the ride-sharing market. He's also cautious of various elements of Lyft's story, at least in the short run. So even though they're already so down, he's still cautious of Lyft in the short term. While we see a long-term option value in Lyft as the largest pure game US rideshare name, near term we expect, so they're even throwing shade at Uber, saying that this is gonna be the biggest rideshare name. But near term, we expect its smaller scale to create unique challenges in its post-pandemic recovery, including share losses. McGovern highlighted commentary from Uber, claiming that Uber's market share in the US mobility was at or near multi-year highs during the second quarter. He also pointed to comments from Lyft indicating blah, 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 blah. But yeah, guys, why is Lyft stock sliding? Why is this going down? If you guys invest in a Lyft, well, I'm sorry, but stock was down 5%. That's crazy. And Uber and Lyft drivers are gathering outside of MTA HQ to protest congestion pricing. Rideshare drivers were rallying outside MTA headquarters on Wednesday, slamming the congestion pricing proposal. Yeah, look at this, guys.
Q2 numbers just moments ago. We showed you what the stock is doing. We will show you again. It is modestly higher. It's certainly off the best move of OT thus far. Let's bring in Wedbush analyst Dan Ives. He covers Lyft with an outperform rating, a $32 price target.
Wow.
It's good to see you. What's your initial reaction?
It's almost double.
I'd say better than feared, specifically on the spending. I mean, that was really the issue. If you look at adjusted EBITDA, I think better than expected. I think it just shows similar with Uber. I mean, they're not having to do as many promotions.
Yeah.
And that's really been the overhang on the stock. Remember the last quarter really showed.
So people are saying that people actually like Lyft better than Uber. What do you guys think? I think Lyft is kind of more of a friendly app. I've always thought of Lyft as the more friendly app. Better drivers, better passengers. Uber is kind of just the more popular one, but
we're going to spend like 19 as rock stars. Looks like they've curtailed some of that.
I mean, you were even thinking that was going to be the case going in. As I look at your notes here, what jumped out to me is in every single paragraph was about spending. They're expected to ramp up their expense profile, spending on driver incentives. You talk about spending money, as you just said, like a rock star in the 80s. I mean, has that been the whole story?
I think the problem is that they're almost
crazy, guys. So I'm gonna end the video there. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And again, sign up for Play Octopus with our link below. If you're an Uber or Lyft driver, you can start earning up to $100 extra per month. Get a free tablet with our link below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.